Interrupt this program for a special news bulletin.
Oh my God. Ang lakas ng ulan. Parang may bagyo. Ganda. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel.
Meanwhile,
Here is my uniform. I'm the best cook. Hello guys! You like my uniform? My apron. This is sent to me of LJ and Christine for Christmas. Thank you guys. Thank you LJ and Christine for the beautiful apron that you did to me. Guys, today we're gonna cook spicy noodle soup with vegetables. Perfect for the rainy season. So since it's raining, I decided to cook this. This is the spicy noodle. Here it is, guys. We're done preparing all the ingredients. That's the chicken strip. That's the pechay bagyo, the pechay, mushroom, red bell pepper, carrots, tofu, onions, and tomato. That's the spicy Korean noodles. So guys, we're ready. We're ready to cook it now. So, okay guys, so we're gonna start boiling the water now for our spicy noodle soup with vegetables. Are boiling now, so we're gonna put the nor cubes to make it more tasty. So first we're gonna put the chicken that I marinated. The chicken now. And onion. You can put all the ingredients here. Good, lots of vegetables. Okay. Now we need chopstick for this. Smells good. Okay, guys, we're done cooking now. So here it is. Our Korean spicy noodle soup with vegetables, good for rainy season. Since today is raining, so we have this. That's why I decided to cook this. Okay, guys. So let's eat. Look, yummy spicy noodle soup with vegetables. Yummy! Wow! With tofu. Woohoo! Wow! Woo. Sarap! Delicious! Super delicious with little mushroom there. Sorry guys, I'm not good at the What is this? Steak. But, oh my god, yummy. Mm. Good. See? The chicken is with chicken. Good. Look! I finished the whole bowl of spicy Korean noodle soup with vegetables. Look what happened. It's really good. Look at me, I'm sweating! So guys, I hope you enjoy watching my vlog and hope to see you again on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye!